Hey tech fans, have I got something cool for you? The new AirPods Pro now come with a built-in hearing test. Let's check it out. So, Apple just gave the AirPods Pro a sweet upgrade. They now have this awesome feature, a hearing test right in your ears. Curious how it works? It's super easy. First, pop in your AirPods Pro and open the settings on your iPhone. Then, find the Ear Fit Test option. You'll hear a bunch of different sounds and tones. Your AirPods will figure out how well you hear them. Based on the test, your AirPods will tweak the sound just for you. It's like having your own audio expert in your pocket. This means better music, clearer podcasts, and even sharper phone calls. So if you're into tech and want to hear everything better, grab the new AirPods Pro. Your ears will be so happy. Stick around for more cool tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one.